Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove or delete a Chrome profile on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, and in case you have enabled the profile selector, you will see all the profiles with the startup of Google Chrome browser. Click on triple dot menu beside the profile and select delete option to delete that profile, and in case you have not enabled this one profile selector, it will open something like this. Click on the profile icon and then beside other profiles click on this one settings gear icon. Now you will see profile selector. Select a profile and click on this one triple dots menu and click on this one delete option to delete, and then confirm it by pressing the delete button. This will delete or remove that particular profile from your Google Chrome browser.